Starting around 11 November 2023, Ethereum for the most part generally is exchanging at $2,061.29 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in beautiful kind of most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally large manner, or so they truly thought. ETH quite has a genuinely all-out market cap of $247,894,688,654 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,107,924,945, or so they essentially thought. This for the most part essentially makes Ethereum, ETH, fundamentally positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is very huge. On the off chance that you by and large generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum essentially be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Ethereum a truly wise venture or especially essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH cost especially outperform its record-breaking high? These in a real sense are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost certainly is supposed to generally fundamentally cross in every practical sense, certainly normal value level of $2,210.78. The normal by and large extremely least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the pretty genuinely current year ought to for the most part in every way that really matters be $2,107.57, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at an entirely most extreme value level of $2,316.06 reasonably in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Ethereum could sort of stretch around $2,229.36, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in November 2023 really is $1,981.65, with a fundamentally normal cost of $2,167.43 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum, ETH value expectation December 2023. The cost for Ethereum in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,107.57 and $2,316.06, or so they in a real sense thought, which is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $2,210.78, or so they most certainly thought incredibly. Ethereum especially extremely past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been explicitly diminished by 1.66% in its by and large sort of current worth. Showing how on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum basically be by and large worth in 2023, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, which certainly is very huge. Assuming we explicitly look at the actual sort of current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap fundamentally sort of is likewise down, which essentially sort of is genuinely huge in a significant manner. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the ETH very was in lovely essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.92%. Which in every practical sense especially shows that while the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $2,210.78, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Ethereum really has shown areas of strength for especially in every practical sense, potential recently, and this could be decently generally excellent chance to especially dive right in and sort of put resources into an unpretentious way, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking essentially. In any case, after the contrasting the by and large current cost and recent days cost history, it basically is seen that Ethereum most certainly has expanded 8.385% in its worth, in every practical sense, further appearance how besides ETH can arrive at an actually for the most part greatest value level of $2,316.06 in a sort of significant manner. The kind of typical sort of least cost for the month sort of in a real sense is $1,843.68, while in every practical sense, most extreme kind of normal cost explicitly by and large was $1,888.45, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin basically in every practical sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion to really a arrangement of coins for most certainly long haul in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 24.00%, and the cost in every practical sense truly circled from a base most certainly fundamentally normal cost of $1,539.51 to sort of greatest essentially normal cost of $1,647.19 in the truly beyond 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In reasonably all things considered, most recent 4 months Ethereum actually basically has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. In this way, we explicitly feel that comparable pieces of the market actually in a real sense were very famous at that period in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Ethereum in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,107.57 and $2,316.06, which basically especially is genuinely critical. As per the the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum fundamentally is expanded from 4 months, which shows that as per the in every way that really matters, sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum by and large certainly is expanded from 4 months in a reasonably truly significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, quite further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Ethereum in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,107.57 and $2,316.06 amazingly, in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin is up by 35.96% with the by and large greatest extremely normal cost of the coin really was around $1,207.02, and the kind of least sort of commonly normal cost of for the most part was around $1,191.63 in fundamentally beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum value figure 2023 facts what will generally be Ethereum worth in 2023, or so they really thought. The ETH cost entirely is gauged to arrive at an in every practical sense extremely greatest degree of $2,316.06 with by and large least cost of $2,107.57 toward the finish of 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does Ethereum really have a future in an unpretentious manner in opposition to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Ethereum by and large has a remarkable sort of potential to generally arrive at new levels, showing how besides ETH can arrive at an actually quite most extreme value level of $2,316.06, which sort of is very huge.